Hazrat Khwaja Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. There is an incident that is related to him that he used to recite Darood Sharif upon the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, 3,000 times a day. It is written in Akhbar al-Akhyar Sharif that once Hazrat Shaykh Hazrat Khwaja Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, when his marriage took place, there was a period of 3 consecutive days when, due to the marriage affairs, he was unable to send blessings and darood upon the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Thereupon, there was a person named Rais. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, blessed that person with his vision, and the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, stated to him that convey my greetings and salam to Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki and tell him that the gift that he sends to me daily, I have not been receiving that gift from the past 3 days, which he used to send to me daily, and the recitation of the Darood Sharif that he used to send upon the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, 3,000 times per day. This was a secret that he had kept to himself. He had not told about this to anyone else. And when he heard about this from someone else's mouth, the person named Rais, he was astonished, and he confirmed this, that he did used to send blessings upon the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, 3,000 times a day. And it was just the marriage, the affairs of the marriage, that he was not able to recite the Darood Sharif upon the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. My friends, this confirms that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, himself listens to the Darood Sharif that is sent to him by the lovers of the beloved Prophet, peace be upon him.